We have Inga here today, and Inga's been complaining. She was just on a long road trip, and said afterwards she had some tension in her neck from sitting in the car, bad posture for a long time, and it's been causing some headache, migraines. And on top of that, Inga does a lot of running. She's a runner that, how many miles do you normally do?
About 40.
40 miles a week.
40, yeah.
And then she's been starting to notice a little bit of, pain in her knees. And she also said that during the car ride over the weekend, she started noticing more with certain positions of her leg. So we're gonna check some instructions in her knee and maybe some of the musculature, maybe that we're getting tight from sitting there, and see if we can loosen any of those up, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's lay on your back first. Usually your right hip gets out of place a lot when you're running a lot.
Yes.
And you can just feel there's a little more tension on the right side. Inga normally has his right hip come back out like this. So we need to adjust that right hip forward a little bit. Is that bugging you when I push there right now?
No.
It's pretty good?
It's pretty good.
Okay. How's the left side?
Not too bad.
Okay. Yeah, this one moves well. This side, not so well. So I'm gonna use this table a little bit, okay? We're just gonna drop it down. You're gonna feel just like that, okay? All right. Is that okay?
Yep.
Oh, one more. Okay. Let's check the upper part of your neck. And your left side is it's just really locked up there. Is that tender?
Yes.
Yes. Does it radiate anywhere?
Oh yeah. It
Where?
goes all the way out to the crown of the head.
The top of the head?
Yeah.
Anything in the front?
Yeah, temporal area.
The temporal area. So we have these nerves, right? Those suboccipital nerves. They come out from the base of your skull, and then they travel up over the head. If they pass through the neck muscles and that gets really tight, then that can cause irritation to those nerves, triggering headaches or migraines. So one of the keys to trying to reduce that is loosening up these muscles so they don't irritate those nerves as much. Well, let's just start moving up here, okay? And tilt your head. Go and breathe all the way out. Very good. Oh yeah. Is that tender?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm trying to loosen it up a little bit. Let's try this. Go and take another breath. Good. Breathe out. Good. Good. Okay, I'm going to try this one a little bit more, okay? Just relax the head there. And then breathe. Good. Relax down. Alright. There you go. Is that okay?
Yep.
Alright. Tilt your head a little bit more. Okay. There. Go ahead and take another breath. Relax your shoulder. Relax. There you go. Alright. Okay, another big breath. And then breathe out. There you go. Good. Alright. Getting things loosened up here. Okay. Let's check down here. Can I have you lay on your side? You're gonna face me this way. Okay. Oh. All right. Let's go on your other side.
That's fine.
Take another breath, and we're gonna breathe out. Good. Good. All right. Okay. Onto your back. Let's do a little sit up. Just lay back. Relax. Breathe. There you go. Good. Okay. So what do you do when you have headaches at home?
Ibuprofen.
Ibuprofen? Yeah.
Sleep.
Sleep? Because your body's low on sleep and low on ibuprofen, right? You have to refill your ibuprofen and you feel better?
No.
No.
That's why I called the office.
Okay. Yeah. Right in there. I'm going to get that spot moving, okay? Mm-hmm. All right. Nice and relaxed. Good. Breathe. Good. Okay. A little more, okay? Nice. And relax. Good. Good. All right. That's better. Okay. I'm going to check this one too. And another breath in. Relax this part of your neck. There you go. Oh, good. Okay. How are you doing?
Better.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and sit on up here. Move your head around. How's that? Left side really stuck, but we got it
Much
moving.
better.
Okay. So what we're gonna do when you go home is
Stretch.
stretch some of those quads and those ribs. Yeah, over a little bit, and then we can check on it next time. But I think we'll continue to do that. It should take away that tension around your knee before you get back into your miles.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.